Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable announce calls on iPhone. I'm using iPhone 15 Pro right now, but the settings, the steps are same for the previous iPhones and iPads. First, you have to go to settings. Now scroll down and from here you'll find apps. Now scroll down or you can search for phone. Now from here you will find phone. Click on it. Now from here you will find announce calls. Click on it. Now you can see I have set this for never. You can click on always to enable these announce calls for always. That means your iPhone will announce the caller name always, whenever, where are you, that doesn't matter, but your iPhone will announce the caller ID wherever you are. Now you can also select headphones and car. If you are using headphone, you are connected with the iPods or any type of headphones, or you are connected with your car's infotainment feature, then it will only announce the call at that moment. Now if you select headphones only, your iPhone will announce the caller name or the caller ID whenever you are on your headphones or you have connected your iPhone with your iPod. And the neighbor option is the directly disable option for announce calls. Now you can go with one of these three options, the above three options, to enable announce calls. You can select one of them according to your situation or your needs. Hope you get this. If so, then give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.